Salesforce, reports are created by first selecting a report type. A report type is a template which defines the objects and fields that will be available to use in the report you create. Out of the box, Salesforce provides many useful standard report types. However, there may be times when standard report types don't provide visibility across all the records or fields you need, or you may find that standard report types are too cumbersome to use effectively. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a report type in Salesforce. So the first step is to define the custom report type that you want to create. Let's say you want to create an account with or without opportunities. So let's go to setup. So from the quick find, you just need to type in the report type or report types. Click on report types. Now click on new custom report type. So in this case, we're going to select the accounts as the primary object. So this is very important step because a record from this object will always be present in the data in the report. So next is fill all the necessary information such as the report type label, report type name, description, and storing category. So for the report type label, just type in accounts with or without opportunities or whatever report type name that you want. And for the report type name, this will it will automatically populate once you click out of the report type label field. For the description, we can put in accounts with or without related opportunities. So next would be the storing category. Let's select other reports, click on deployed, then click on next. So the next step is the report's record set. So you need to define the object relationship for this custom report type. You need to define which related records from other objects are returned in the report results by choosing a relationship to another object. So click on the box with the dotted border which says click to relate to another object. Then select opportunities. So in box B, you have to select each A records may or may not have related B records. So it means accounts may or may not have opportunities. Then click on save. So the next step is to choose the fields that will be available for the reports when users use the report builder. So you just need to click on edit layout. So from here, you can select the fields from the pane on the right hand side and drag to one of the gray grids on the left. So let's click on opportunities. So as you can see, we have here the account name. So all you need to do is to drag this account name and then drop it here. So that's it. So just click on save. So we now have the custom report type that you can use for any reports that requires this particular report type. So that is the basic steps on how to set up a report type in Salesforce.